Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is also similar to Bitcoin. If you've watched my last Bitcoin video, probably still in this ABC pattern here. So this means that from the low here at around $880, we advanced in an impulsive move up in a 5-wave move. This formed a wave 1 here in white, and we are now therefore in a wave 2. This is the bullish wave count. There's always a bearish wave count as well, but focusing on the bullish one here at the moment because it is something that could potentially push Ethereum higher, and which could potentially here also lead to a real breakout, and that means we wouldn't probably see any lower prices for Ethereum. Now at the moment we still need to be very, very much aware that lower prices, that means lower prices below $880, are still very, very real, very, very much possible. Given that we haven't really broken above that $1,255 level, and given that this is really only like the first spark of a potential breakout. It is way too early to really confirm a breakout here, and it's also very much too early to really confirm that the low of Ethereum has been in. However, we're tracking this because I wanted to make you aware as soon as we see a first impulse emerging, and this is exactly what we see here at the moment. So from this first 5-wave move up, that was a wave 1, we are then in a wave 2 now, and we can see an ABC pattern here, or at least the wave A, we can see the wave B, and we might see the wave C next, and that should take us into this target area between $940 and $1,030. So this is where I would expect that wave C to get into. How much higher can the wave B go? Well, if I move that aside, in this wave B, you also have 3 waves, A, B, C. The wave B itself is a 3-wave pattern. And what you normally want to do, you want to have a first price target for the wave C here in white be the length of the wave A. This is a very likely price target, and let's take a look if this is reached. And yes, the wave C, the so-called equality projection target, has been reached, which means it increases the likelihood massively that the wave C is already finished, which means that if I take that out again, that also this wave B here is probably finished. Now it can still move a bit higher, but for now we can be on high alert that the wave B might be finished here at $1,167, and from here it might go down into this price target area that I've just mentioned. When will this be confirmed? Well, it will probably be it will become very, very likely if we break out of this channel here. You can see that we can draw a trend line here, just make it a bit clearer. So we can draw a trend line here, and as soon as we break out of this trend line, then you can be quite certain that we might actually, really are in our way of the wave C. So this would be below a price of, let's say that happened now, because an ascending trend line, so it might change over time. But if that happened now, we would have to break below $1,120. That would be when we break below this trend line, and I think then we can be quite certain that we are in the wave C. Again, that could take us into this region between $940 and $1,030. In here where I would expect a reversal into a wave 3 then. And this wave 3, which would be the wave 3 in white, should really take us very high. I mean, that's always relative, but compared to what we've seen already, the target for the wave 3 would usually be the 1.618 FIB extension of the wave 1. That means, let's say if we go all the way to the low here of the target area, that means we should see prices of around $1,450 for Ethereum here in a wave 3. If we go into this target area, and if we go above 1255 as a result afterwards, then I think we have it really, really to do here with a serious breakout, and we will see probably higher prices in the foreseeable future. We will also be able to see this here as a potential inverse head and shoulders. So have your left shoulder here, your head here, and that might become the right shoulder here with a neckline of that $1,255 level. So really that's it. I wanted to make you aware that we are probably still in this corrective wave here in 2. that if we see a reversal here, then we will go all the way above 1255 and hit this area around 1450 of the wave 3. Now this is the bullish wave count, and again, it is not guaranteed, but probably now for the first time in the last 6 to 7 months, it's the first time that we really have a potential to break out to the upside from here. And at the moment though, we need to be very, very much aware that downside potential is still possible. That would mean we break below $880. And if we do that, then we have the next targets of 825, 770, and even 618. That would be the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level here. I wouldn't be too surprised if we reach it, but I really only see this in an extreme scenario. It is nothing that I would see as primary expectation that we really go down that much. However, it is still very, very likely that we still go lower. And yeah, at the moment, we just have to be on high alert that we can still see lower prices, but a breakout is really possible now for the first time in the last 6 to 7 months when we started talking about this correction for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So what I really want to communicate here, we have a real first serious spark of hope that the correction could be finished, and we can already see it in the Elliott Wave patterns, but I don't have enough evidence yet. What I would really want to see now is the wave C down and then a strong push to the upside here in this wave 3. Okay, and I'll keep you updated about Ethereum as you know going forward. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.